From the dust I was born, to the dirt I shall return. When my eyes are closed, in the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will overcome, no, I am not afraid. Like a phoenix in the night.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing fine. So today I'm going to show you guys how to install this beautiful wig. But before I get into that, if you've not already, please don't forget to support me by liking this video and please subscribe to my channel, and also please share this video with your friends. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how I was able to easily install this beautiful wig. As you guys can see, the color of this wig is something else. It's absolutely beautiful, and the wig is so soft. It's really soft, and it's quite long. It's quite long as well. I absolutely love the wig. I love the color. It's bright and beautiful, and it comes with this wavy coils as well. If you don't like the wavy coil, you can just straighten it if you want, but if you love the wavy coil, you just keep it. I decided to do a side part, so you can do any parting you want. So they didn't pre-part it, so you can do any side of parting you want. I absolutely love this wig, and I'm going to put the link and the specs and everything that has to do with the wig in the description box and also on my screen as well. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. Hi guys, so I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the packaging of the wig. So the wig came through DHL. So these are the accessories that came with the wig. And this is what the wig looks like. You guys can see it has this wavy coils that are very beautiful. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the wig.
All the pain, all the hurt, all the lessons I have learned, I am stronger now. I won't let me down. Oh, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will.
Then I'm gonna cut out the spare lace in front. I'm also going to cut out the spare lace at the back. Now I'll be applying my beard hair spray to lay the wig down very well. After that, I'm going to put on my headband and leave it for like 5 to 10 minutes to dry. So right here, I'm going to go ahead and create a side parting. Like I said earlier on, you can actually have a side parting, you can have a middle part. It's a versatile lace front wig, so you can part it anyhow you want it. And after doing the parting, I'm going to twist it out, and then I'm going to apply a little bit of concealer to give it a more natural look.
In the shadows, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay. Destiny will.
So right here, I'm going to go ahead and spray a little bit of water on the wig, and then I'll apply my leave-in conditioner. I just want to moisturize it a little bit. And then I'm going to apply my heat protectant oil because I'll be using my hot comb on it. And yes guys, this is what it looks like. This wig is very beautiful and it's really soft. So now I'm going to go ahead and do like a middle parting. Like I said, this wig is versatile, so you can part it anyhow you want it. And then I'm going to use my hot comb as well to lay the parting area very flat.
All the hurt, all the lessons I have learned, I am stronger now. I won't let me down. Oh, my enemies will think they won, but I'm here to stay.
And then I'm going to go ahead and twist the parting and apply my concealer as well. And yes guys, this is the final look. As you guys can see, this wig is absolutely beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys very soon. Love you guys. Bye.